Michelin Passion Experience 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, the Michelin Passion Experience is for all of us to discover the Michelin brand from the motorsports angle. As all you know, Michelin has an unequaled number of wins in the World Class Championships. The professional racing drivers trust the Michelin tires, they race with Michelin tires, and of course, they win with Michelin tires.
This is the first time I've driven a BMW X3. I really like the dashboard with all the digital data in front, and also the styling is quite modern. Comfort is there, and of course it's premium brand, so you get premium quality in the car. There's more control in the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV and feels more confident with the tires. Being a woman in motorsports, of course, got pros and cons. Pros is that I get more media coverage. The cons is that guys see me as a threat because I'm as fast as them and they kind of like bully me on the track.
Yeah.